Hey guys, Dino here from 3-Star Nomadic, and today we're off on part 2 of the El Nido boat tour. We'll be going caving, we'll be going diving, guys, and seeing one of the most beautiful little beaches I've ever seen. Let's get into it. Oops, wrong way. We got a little, well, there's a little pussycat. Two actually, and there was some little, I could see when I was getting off the boat, there was some little chicks, some little chickens somewhere. There they are.
Hello.
Hello. Got some little chickens.
Yeah.
Awesome. Don't know how long they'll last, but looking pretty cute at the minute. I was talking about the chickens, just for the record. Play your volleyball here. Looks like they've got a few rooms. Even got a basketball. Basketball hoop there. And there's Jonathan riding the rake horse. So there's another cave in here. So if it's too hard to get to, I'm not doing it, but if it's okay, I'll give it a go. And while the tourists are in there, they can clean the boat. There you go. Yeah. Give me a look.
If you can make it, let's do this.
Is it just this section which is hard to get through?
Actually, this is the entrance and the exit.
Huh?
This is the entrance and exit.
But it opens up now, yeah?
Yeah, it's wide.
Okay.
Inside.
You can take a shot of me crawling through.
Okay.
Should be quite funny. I might have to turn the other way, I think. So graceful.
Okay. Let's make it.
We made it. Yeah. So we got the little birds there. And we got some bats as well, maybe. Very cool. Okay. Hello. You want to say hi to my YouTube channel? Yeah. Say hello, 3-Star Nomadic. Okay, I'll count. 3-Star Nomadic. You ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, thank you.
Left foot first, then here.
Yep.
Crawl.
Okay.
And then like this. Here.
So you watch me stuff that up.
Okay.
Okay, so you reckon left there. I got me right there. Oh, good coach. Well done. Oh yeah. With such grace again. Take a bit of a shower. But that's not the toilet up there. Hey guys, hope you're enjoying the video. I really do put a lot of work into these, so I'd love if you could consider hitting that subscribe button. Anyway, back to the video, guys. I suppose on the tour that I picked up. So remember there is an A, B, C and D. This is the detour. And I've done this privately, so you'll get it. You've probably already got the prices at the start. So, but yeah, sort of always good to bring a bit of extra water on any tour. They gave me a little bottle, and then I sort of had to use my own because they'd run out. But you wouldn't go thirsty because all these places you stop at, most of them they've got little shops there. So, but it was included, and but always whatever these tours say anyway, just bring your own water so you're covered. minutes later, so we'll see what that's like. As I said, shoes are always a good idea, but yeah, just take your chill pill on these, and I think usually the tour would go for about 6 hours or something. I always, if I go private, I do 4 hours is enough for me. So anyway guys, but so far it's definitely a
So this will be our port destination. So this
Yeah.
one, as you can see, this is like a limestone only.
Yeah.
So there is a cave that is called Cathedral Cave.
okay. Great.
So there's also a lot of swiftlets lives
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
So swiftlets is a bird that laying eggs, and also bird's nest.
So this cave here, we don't actually go in it. Sort of waiting for this boat, if we can, to leave, but they're doing all their pictures and whatnot. So as soon as they leave, get in, have a bit of a look. I'm just here to check that they're doing it all properly. I'll just sit back. Good work, boys. Easy. Bloody lucky Oz there, eh? Hey! Whoa.
No, welcome to my son.
And there we have Cathedral Cave.
You want me to take a video while you're in front?
Yeah, why not? I'll try not to fall in if I do. Doesn't matter. Come on, boys. You tried to do that, didn't you? You're trying to make me go for a swim. Have a sleep. I was too quick. You couldn't have a sleep. If you know that tune, let me know what it is in the comments. So I think I'm going to go for a bit of a snorkel here. Get amongst it with all me fish, because fish are friends. There we go, guys. Not a lot of fish, but quite nice coral. Don't know how the colours will come up, but it was worth a look. And beautiful little snorkel in paradise. And off we go. So we're going to go find an island and somewhere, beach, and have something to eat. Tucker time. just in a short little area. Everywhere else looks fairly clear. So they have all these awesome little bays around, which most of them I think you'd only get to by boat. They got little resorts on them, little private beaches for the rich and famous. And Dino, a 3-star nomadic, we're going too. These boys are having too much fun to call it work. Good on them. That's Las Cabana Beach that I was at yesterday, where the zip line was. I think got a little bit of rain, but it's beautiful. I think we're not far off maybe hitting another beach just so we can have some lunch. We might be heading for that one. So here we are at the little lunch spot. I think this is an extra little stop, I don't know. Some people kayaking, and I can go and got me little table over there for me food. Might get the drone up I think in a minute. Just have a look around the corner here. Go. Probably go down there for a bit of an adventure too, I reckon. Cool little beach. This funny rock, this. Probably volcanic or something, I don't know. I've got a dog. See a crew down there. Not a bad little place. Sit down and have a bit of tucker. Well, unfortunately I just dumped my drone in the drink. So yeah, I don't know what happened, whether I was pushing the wrong buttons or, and I had the safety on too, but it didn't work, so on the water. So I don't know what that was all about, but she's gone down and she's gone down in the drink, so the boys will go out there and have a bit of a look, but I don't think I'll be getting that one back. Yeah, I reckon it was about there. So, anyway, that's the way it goes with drones. Oh no, you can only laugh, can't you? Hey, you found it, man! Was it on the bottom or floating?
No, on the bottom.
Is it? Thanks guys, thanks for finding that. It's actually smoking at the moment, so I'll get the battery out. It was actually smoking, so anyway, there you go, battery's out. Oh my god, I can't believe that. I'll just see if I can get the chip out. Anyway, that's the end of that drone. Honestly, you can smell it. It was just smoking in there. It looks like I gained a mate. Come over to see if everything's alright. Come over to see how my drone is. It's buggered, mate. No good. Had the bomb. Something's on me. Got bloody wasps on me. I got dogs growling. I just gave them the leftovers of my food. Anyway, gonna head back. droneless. Okay guys, well there you go, that's the tour of around El Nido. Alright, so plenty of other islands to be seen as well, of course, but we had a look at a few of them. We got up in the air, hopefully got some footage if I can recover it, and I come home without a drone because it's gone into the drink, so you might have even seen footage of that. I don't know, because I don't know if I'll be able to get it, but we did find the drone, although it'll be buggered, so it ended up pretty expensive day, but never mind. Listen, it's a beautiful place, everyone's safe, and that's the main thing. So I'll go on the hunt for a new drone in El Nido, and other than that, the rest of the trip is gonna be droneless. So from Dino at 3-Star Nomadic, we'll catch you down the track. Hey guys, please consider subscribing. I really do put a lot of work into these videos, so your subscription would mean the world to me. Catch you down the track. Thank you, Captain. And thank you for doing some diving for me. First time you've had to dive for a drone.